Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Mr. Omo Godwin, and today we'll be considering the topic in quantitative reasoning, number series. We'll consider a topic, number series, in quantitative reasoning. Once again, I am Mr. Omo Oziegbe Godwin, and I'll be taking you on this wonderful subject. I want to believe you have your writing materials just by your side. Your pen and your jotter. It is, calculative and interesting. You know what we do in quantitative reasoning? We put on our thinking cap. So if you're ready with me this morning, because I am also ready, I would like you to get set and we'll begin this class now. Now, what I would like you to know after the end of the class is that you should be able to identify the common difference in a series, and you should be able to interpret the series of set of a number. But hey, well, someone is wondering already, what are series? Mr. Omo, what do you mean by series? And what do you mean by common difference? I think someone is saying that now and it's not clear. What do you mean by common difference? Okay. And also, what do you mean by series of set of number? Oh, don't worry, not to worry. It's quite easy, just like easy peasy. Okay, so we're going to go to the next slide now and see what we have. Now, what's a series? Remember, our topic is series. Series are sets of numbers that increase or decrease at a given rate or a sequence. When you have set of numbers that either increase or decrease at a given rate or at a sequence. For example, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if you watch here closely, you discover that my number is increasing from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 5. That means the numbers are doing what? They are increasing. Now, we say something, a given rate. What is the rate of the increase? That is something we have to check for. So, hold that first at the definition. The series are sets of numbers that increase or decrease at a given rate or sequence. There are several sequences, okay? We have sequence with common difference and sequence with common ratio. For your level, that's what we're going to consider. Sequence with common difference and sequence with common ratio. Having said that, let's recap what we have in this slide. We said that series are sets of numbers that increase or decrease at a given rate or sequence. And we have also established the fact that we have several kinds of sequence. But for your level, for this time we'll be talking about sequence with common difference and sequence with common ratio. Now, common difference in increasing series, okay? What is common difference? Now, when numbers are arranged from lowest to the highest, the number is said to be increasing. When numbers are what? Arranged from what now? Lowest to the highest number. So when number is going from small to big, that number is said to be what? Increasing. Okay? Now, in this above particular example, we have 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now, figure is being added. Now let's time to put on that thinking cap. We have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 9. It is not like the conventional one I gave to you the other time. Now, common difference. Between 3 and 5, something is added that gave me 5. Is that also? Between my 5 and 7, there's something also added to 5 that gave me 7. There's a number between 7 and 9. Alright, so if that number is the same, when the difference added is the same, when it is the same throughout, that's what we are talking about. When the difference is the same throughout, we call it common difference. Now let's check. What's the difference between this number and this number? From here, 3. Okay, I can get my common difference by this way. This is 5. I will say 5 minus 3, that gives me 2. Okay, that means I added 2 to 3 to give me 5. Then I want to check the next number. If we say 7 minus 5, that should give me what now? 2. Beautiful. Also 9 minus 7, that gives me what? 2. So my common difference here is what, boys? 2. So you can call it CM is 2. So the common difference is 2. When the difference that is added is the same throughout, we call it what? The common difference. Now, in this is an example of an increasing series. So we have established that fact already. To find your common difference, you just subtract the first number from the second number from the third number. That way, you get your common difference. If the numbers are the same, then you get it. That's what this slide is talking about. So finding common difference in increasing series. To calculate common difference, subtract the first number from the second, that's what I told you, or the second from the third, you will get the same number. Oh, let me see. Quick one. 5, 10, 15. Let me stop there. Who can tell me the common difference here? Quick, let me hear you. Oh, boy, beautiful, you got it. Now, the common difference here is 10 minus 5, that gives me what now? 5. Okay. 15, my third number, minus 10, that gives me what now? 5. So what is my common difference? My common difference here is 5, because the numbers is the same. So you can see it is very, very easy. Don't get mixed up like this guy that doesn't know how to get it. He's still looking for it, but we beat it to time, isn't it? All right, so that's how you get your common difference. Okay. Now let's consider examples here. What is the common difference at CD in 9, 13, 17, 21? Like we said earlier, no, this 13 here is the second number. You minus it from the first number. The first number, subtract the first from the second number. That will give us 4. Yes. So between this, we have 4. Then 17 minus 13, that will give us 4. Beautiful. 21 minus 17, that will give us 4. So our CD is very easy for us. It is 4. Common difference. I know someone is already saying, oh, come on, it's too cheap, Mr. Mo. Yeah, you're correct. It's cheap because we've made it that way. And we have explained in such a way that you can grasp it. So the common difference here is 4. Why? Because all the numbers here are the same. Observe, when the series is increasing, we have an increasing series. This is how you can find it. You subtract the first number from the second number from the third number from the fourth number. That is how you go about it. Okay? Also, if you want to know your next number, we'll treat that now very soon. So I want to believe you've gotten this part very well. Another example, the same thing here. What's the common difference between these sets of numbers? Are these increasing numbers? What did you say? Beautiful. They are increasing number because it starts from 18, 23, 28, 33, and like that. Now, there's a question here because I want you to know, what is my next number? How do I get the next number? Very, very important also. We want to look at all possible areas in our solving today. Now, I haven't said that this first number will be subtracted from the second number. That means 23 minus 18 will give us 5, which is here. 28 minus 23 will give me also 5. Yep. 33 minus 28 will also give me what? 5. Correct. Common difference is what now? 5. It is now very simple. How do I get my next number? Because you'll be having exercises that will deal with such cases. Now, since we know that our last number on the series here is 33, and we already know that the common difference is what here, boys? Is 5. What do? You will now come here and say 33 plus the common difference, which is 5. 33 plus 5, that will give us what? 38. So my next number will be what now? 38. Let me put one more for you. Who is the fastest finger here? Now, who can tell me what's our next number? 38 plus, did I hear you correctly? Plus what? Beautiful. 38 plus 5. What will that give you? Did I hear you? Okay. Who is trying? Who is trying out? Yep, you're correct. Sure. Plus 5. That gives us another number. What's the answer? 43. Yeah, so just like that, you keep on adding the common difference to get the next number. That's what you should note here. If you want to get the next number, first calculate the common difference, then add it to the previous number. That is all. I told you it's going to be easy peasy. Now, exercises. Study the sample and answer the question that follows. Now, we have 6, 9, 12, 15. Is this progressive? The question is, what is the next number? 9 minus 6, that gives 3. 12 minus 9, that gives us 3. 15 minus 12, that gives us 3. Then how do we get the next number? Because we know that our common difference is what? Let me call that CD is equals what now? 3. And the last number is what? 15. So what we'll say is 15 plus 3. This should give me what now? 18. Beautiful. Can't you see? Well, I guess our fellow here is confused. Nobody should be confused as this guy do, because it's very simple. I trust you'll get it. So one more time, I'm going to take it and wrap it up for you. You look for the common difference, and how do you do that? 9, take away 6, that will give us 3. 12 minus 9, that gives us 3. 15 minus 12, that gives us also 3. And what do we do? Because we're looking for the next number. Since this 15 is our last number, we'll come over here. Remember what I did here? 15 plus 3, that will give me 18. So 18 will be my next number. If I want to ask again, what is my next number? Quickly, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yes, who got it right? Yeah, sure. That gives us what now? 21. Correct. So that should be the next answer. So that's a sample I've done for you. I want you to take this as exercise. I want to solve it. Let's sort it out. Just play around them. I know you will get everything. Is there a wow question here? No, I'm not sure, because these are very, very easy to do. So get your hands busy. Put on your thinking cap. It is time to work and work hard. Remember, we're at home, and wherever you find yourself now, please ensure you do this. And as you do it, it promises to be fun. Let's get busy. If there's anything you have to do back, you don't get, you go back to the previous slide and follow instructions that have been given to you. Thank you very much. From me, it is bye-bye, and I hope you're going to have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.